So I have been experimenting with some seriously powerful coding workflows lately, and I discovered something that I think is going to change how you approach development. You see, we all know GitHub Copilot has become this incredible AI assistant right inside VS Code. But there is this tool called OpenCode that most of people probably know about. And when you combine these two together, you basically unlock a whole new level of productivity that honestly feels like having an entire development team working alongside you. So here is the thing, GitHub Copilot is fantastic at high level orchestration and autonomous planning. It can think through complex problems, break them down into manageable steps, and actually coordinate multiple tasks end to end. But sometimes you need something more surgical, more precise, something that gives you complete control over your code edits and works seamlessly right in your terminal. That's exactly where OpenCode comes in, and trust me, this combination is absolutely game changing. Now, before we dive into the actual implementation, let me just give you some context here. So, GitHub Copilot inside VS Code has this agent mode feature that can create entire application from scratch, performing refactoring across multiple files, write and execute tests, and even migrate legacy code to modern frameworks. The beautiful part about combining them is that you are not just using two separate tools. You are creating this unified workflow where GitHub Copilot handles the strategic planning while the open code execute those plans with precision and control. And the best part, if you already have a GitHub Copilot subscription, you can use it directly with OpenCode as well without paying anything additional for your service. They officially support each other now, which is honestly incredible for the developer community as well. Alright, so first thing you need is a GitHub Copilot account, and next you can install OpenCode globally using several methods. You can use curl with the install script, npm, bun, brew on Mac, or even package managers. But there is actually a much smoother way you can do this. OpenCode has this official VS Code extension that integrates directly into your editor. So what you want to do is open a VS Code, head over to the extension marketplace and search for the OpenCode. Once you find it, just click install and you are basically set. The extension gives you some really convenient keyboard shortcuts that makes your workflow super efficient. On Mac, you can use Command plus Escape to launch OpenCode in a split terminal view, or use Command plus Shift plus Escape to start a completely new session. On Windows or Linux, just replace Command with Control. The cool thing is that if you already have a session running, the first shortcut will just focus on that existing terminal instead of creating duplicate sessions. Now here is one of my favorite features. The extension has context awareness built in, which means it automatically shares your current selection on active tabs with OpenCode. So if you are working on a specific file in VS Code and you want OpenCode to help with it, the context is already there. You don't need to manually explain what file you are working on or copy paste the code. It just knows. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to insert file references directly to OpenCode prompts, like @ file name with specific line ranges. This makes collaboration between the tools absolutely seamless. Before you can actually use OpenCode, you can run the /models command to see all available models and select which one you want to use. Depending on your provider, you might have access to different models. For example, with Copilot Pro Plus, you get access to some really powerful reasoning models that are perfect for complex coding tasks. The flexibility here is amazing because OpenCode support over 75 different language providers, so if you want to switch between different models or even want to use local models, you have that option as well. Now let's talk about the actual workflow and how you can use these together. The strategy I recommend is that treating GitHub Copilot as your strategy conductor and OpenCode as your lead engineer. What I mean is that you use GitHub Copilot agent mode in VS Code for the high level planning and project coordination, and then you can use OpenCode for the actual implementation and precise code edits. This division of labor is incredibly effective because each tool focuses on what it does best. So let me show you how this works with a real example. Let's say we want to build a Kanban board application, something like Trello, but with our own custom features. This is exactly the kind of project where combining these tools really shines. First, we open GitHub Copilot agent mode in VS Code. Here we will only ask it to create an implementation plan and do not write any coding. Copilot will think through this, reason about the architecture, and generate a comprehensive plan with multiple phases. What's amazing about GitHub Copilot planning mode is how thorough it is. It does not just give you a vague outline, it breaks everything down into specific phases like project setup, front-end component structure, state management, drag and drop implementation, styling, and everything else. This is where Copilot's strong reasoning capability really shines. Alright, so after this, once you have this implementation plan from Copilot, you can review it, maybe you can tweak a few things if needed, and then you are ready to hand it off to OpenCode for execution. Now here is where the workflow gets really smooth. Inside VS Code, you have OpenCode running in a split view terminal right next to your main editor. You can use the add symbol command in OpenCode to reference files and context. For example, you could type add symbol implementation underscore plan to attach the plan that just Copilot created. OpenCode will read through that plan, process it with its own reasoning, and start executing the task systematically. What's really cool is watching OpenCode work. It does not just dump code into a single file and call it done. It thinks through the project structure, creates the necessary directories, build out the front end with component hierarchy, add the drag and drop library, configure Tailwind, and even handle the persistent layers. The terminal interface shows you exactly OpenCode is doing at each step. You see it creating files, writing code, running commands, installing dependencies, and basically building out your entire application. And because it has LSP, which is called Language Server Protocol Integration, it can actually detect errors, get diagnostics, and fix issues as it goes. Within just a few minutes, you have a fully functional Kanban board. You have an option for adding columns, managing tasks, updating positions, and persisting everything. The front end has a beautiful interface with columns that you can add, tasks that you can create and edit, drag and drop that actually work smoothly, and everything styled with the modern design. You can click to add new tasks, drag them between columns, edit their content. Now here is where the workflow really proves its value. Let's say you want to add a new feature like color coding tasks by priority or adding due dates. You can go back to GitHub Copilot, ask it to plan out this feature addition, get a detailed strategy, and then have OpenCode implement it based on that plan. Or if you notice a bug or want to refactor something, you can use OpenCode's surgical editing capabilities to make precise changes without touching any unrelated code. The combination also works great for debugging as well. So if something is not working right, you can use GitHub Copilot to analyze the error. Then you use OpenCode to actually implement those debugging strategies, run tests, check logs, and fix the issues. It's like having a senior developer helping you think through problems and a skilled engineer executing the solutions. The flexibility with models is another huge advantage. While you are using GitHub Copilot models through your subscription, you can also configure OpenCode to use other providers if you want. Maybe you have credit with Anthropic or OpenAI, or you are running local models for specific tasks. OpenCode supports that seamlessly. You can even create custom agents with different configurations, like a build agent with full tool access, a plan agent that's read-only for analysis, or a review agent specifically for code reviews. This gives you control and safety, especially when you're working on production code or sensitive projects. You are not just trusting an AI to do whatever it wants, you are defining boundaries and approval workflows. The learning curve for this workflow is actually pretty gentle as well. So if you are already comfortable with VS Code and have used GitHub Copilot before, then adding Copilot is just learning a new command or a keyboard shortcut. The terminal interface is intuitive, the commands are discoverable with /help, and the documentation is solid. You will be very productive within the first hour of using it. Alright, so that's it from the video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.